Dear friends, today we will discuss about the SWOT analysis in an enterprise. A SWOT analysis is an incredibly simple yet powerful tool to help you develop your business strategy, whether you are building a sort you are building a startup or guiding an existing company. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Strength and weakness are internal to your company, means things that you have some control over and can change, while the opportunities and threats are external things that are going and outside your company. So, we will discuss one by one. First of all, strength of an organization. Strength is the basic asset of an organization that would provide competitive advantage for its growth and development. Some of the strengths of an organization are as such: first, availability of necessary infrastructure. Second one is educate production capacity. Third one is skilled manpower. Fourth one is good manufacturing process, quality assurance, and quality control. Fifth one is low cost of manufacture. Sixth one is good location. Seventh one is wide distribution network. Eighth one, motivated staff. And ninth one is efficient management. These are maybe the strength of any organization. Next, weakness of any organization. Weakness is the liability of an organization that can create a state of time and situation, specific disadvantage for its growth and development. Some of the weakness of a organization are: first one is rising cost of operations, low level of motivation of staff, non-availability of raw material, scarcity of capital, outdated technology, inadequate infrastructure, shortage of trained technicians, lack of effective coordination, and inadequate training in skills. So these are important weakness of an organization. And the third one is the opportunity of an organization. Opportunity is the ability of the organization to grow and achieve its specific objectives in a given situation. Some of the opportunities of an organization are increase in disposable income, availability of appropriate technology, favorable government policies, availability of different tasks, environment like market information, distribution outlets, and media. And last one is the presence of favorable cultural environment. Apart of these, the last one is the threats in any organization. That is also the integral part of any enterprise or organization. Threats is a situation that blocks and abilities of the organization to grow and develop for reaching its ultimate goals. Some of the threats of an organization are shortage of power, barter, fuel, rejection by the market, tough competition, fiscal policy resulting into increased taxes, duties, imports, reservations, licensing, etc. Obsolete technology, resource crunch, changing customer taste and preference, prolonged economic depreciations. These points are given by the Kumar and others in 2005. So, these are the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats of any organization. In the management science, SWOT analysis is the important for understanding the management problems at all stages, irrespective of type of organization. The concept is helpful in taking appropriate decisions for the development of an organization in a particular sector. Apart from trade, commerce, industries, etc. I want to give one example of SWOT analysis of a dairy enterprise. First of all, the strength of Indian dairy industry. Demand profile optimistic. Margins reasonable even on packed liquid milk. Flexibility of product mix goods. Technical manpower, no dearth. Availability of raw material abundant, means these are the strength of dairy enterprise. Now, weakness of an Indian dairy industry. Perishability, need for infrastructure for cooling, pasteurization, sterilization, etc. Lack of control over yield, use of artificial insemination for upgrading cattle. Logistic of procurement problems due to bad roads, inadequate transportation, etc. Problems in distribution, need for cold chain. Opportunities in Indian dairy industry. Planning Commission has focused on increasing productivity and spoilage management in the farm consumer chain. MC Kinsey, in its study of processed food in India, has earmarked processed liquid milk as the highest growth product with good market potential. FAO has shortlisted 26 ethnic Indian milk products for their high potential in the international market. Efforts to exploit export potential are already on. Amul is exporting to Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nigeria, and the Middle East. Large number of Indian consumers being vegetarian, vast potential exists for milk product in food habits. So these are the opportunity in Indian dairy industry. Now threats in Indian dairy industry. Environmental norms and energy cost warrant a change in packaging material and system. Need for immediate implementation of hygiene, public food safety norms. Milk vendors, this is unorganized sector, has to be improved. So this is the example by which I want to explain the SWOT analysis in any enterprise. Thank you very much.